One of the things you got to think about when you think about a school is a school has a very large and sophisticated physical plant. What I mean by this is they have a lot of buildings, and the buildings are typically heavily networked. They have a lot of electrical. They have, because they're serving a lot of people. There's a large numbers of children and teachers and staff that are in and out of these facilities every day. They're high use. So the systems and the doors and the floor covering and it all has to be very, very heavy duty, high use. And so when those systems go down, you've got to be able to understand how to work on those systems. So one of a typical project at a school district is water projects are probably our most common projects. So a toilet overflows, a sprinkler line, bust, their gym floor buckles up, or, their carpet gets destroyed. One of the challenges there is speed. You want to get, and things never happen when you want it to happen. This year, great example, I get a call from Heber Springs School District, on Christmas Day, we went up there and we helped them, clean up all this water, and we set drying units. And the reality of that school is the children are coming back right after New Year's. So that had to be dry. The sprinkler line had to be fixed, had to be dried, it had to be cleaned up. So we made it happen. Another great example is like at the Pine Bluff School District, when their power went out and they lost a couple of freezers from like all their cafeteria food, and it basically rotted and stunk up the entire building. And so we came in, took all that rotten food out, mitigated the smell to where their staff and the kids can come back in and use that facility, and it wouldn't be just like a total smell of rotten food. Another common one would be roof leaks. Schools have lots of different types of roofing systems. So if you're going to do work on schools, you need to understand how to deal with a thermoplastic overlay or a TPO roof, a metal roof, standing seam, screw down, like a tar roof. I mean, frequently in a school, you have these different roofing systems, and you have a big hailstorm that comes in and it destroys that roofing system. Sometimes it's multiple roofing systems that are on top of each other. So you've got to understand how to make it all watertight, because you don't want to deal with leaking roofs. So a good understanding of the different types of roofing systems, how they work together, and knowing the right subcontractors to get involved to make sure that it's done properly.